This is a very interesting pose. Start over here. I know that the highest, and also there is an arm on this side. I'm gonna coming down like this. One. I'm gonna come to the shoulder, coming all the way over here because this is the farthest on the right side. Now coming over here. Now I'm gonna see the shoulder coming down like this, and you know the head would be here, like coming down over here, and just draw a little line for the front. And now come over here to measure. This is the middle of the body. And coming over here. And then coming all the way over here. So you only need to do one side. You don't want to do both sides. You don't have the time for that. And then from here to here in the middle. And that is the knee right over here. Like that. Already have captured that ideas already. Now coming back over here. Right? And then coming down the elbow, coming on this side. All you need to do for the hand is just like a little oval shape. Now over here, I'm gonna move it a little, and a little thin line. That's good enough. And then see what is important and what is optional. Okay, the whole, there's a big shape, and then the ear over here, like that, and then come back over here. I still have a few seconds. Now come back over here. Here you go. Like that. And I can actually stop right over here. You already captured enough for an interesting drawing. So always holding it this way, I can create very dynamic marks.